Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I don my apron because I will be in the kitchen, and today I'm going to make custard the way that my mum and my nan used to make it. Very simple, very easy. If I can make it, anybody else can make it. So you probably already know how to make it, so just let me know how you did. Just drop me a comment and just let me know how you make it. What's your way of making it, and if you're experimented with different things and different flavors. I make it with lemons, and when I came over here everybody was shocked and he's like, oh, you make custard from scratch? I said, oh, hell yeah, yes, that's one of the things that I got from my family. So if I have custard, I've got to make it. And just to let you know, custard in Italian is crema. And I got caught out when I first moved to the UK. I took my mum and dad to have a cream tea, and I said, oh yeah, Dad, you're just gonna have this custard. Well, I translated it wrong clearly, and my dad went absolutely mental because it wasn't custard, it was panna, cream. But there we go, that's a little story for you. Let's start with the eggs. We need egg yolks, and today I'm gonna make a liter of custard. Oh yes, you heard it right, it's a liter of custard. Reason being is because I've got something that I'm gonna show you on other videos, so pay attention, check out my other videos to see what I made with this. So let's start. Let's crack the eggs. We just need egg yolks, the egg whites are not going to go to waste. I've got another thing that I can do with them, so but you'll have to wait for my next video. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on the next video, so you can check out what I've done with the egg whites. Okay, now that we've got our 8 egg yolks in here, what we're going to do, we're going to put 8 tablespoons of sugar. I know it's a lot, but it's going to be yummy. So that's it, 8 done. Let's whisk until they're fluffy. So it takes a little bit of energy, but it's worth it. Good exercise for your bingo wings. Not that you have them, but trying to avoid it. That's what I'm gonna do. I think that will do. Nice and fluffy. We're gonna add the flour, and the flour is gonna be a little bit less than the sugar, but it depends on how thick you want it. So obviously more flour you put in, the thicker it gets. I had an epiphany when I went to see, when I was really young, and I went to my friend's house, and usually at 4 o'clock we have what is called a merenda, so which means you just have snack for children. And my friend's mum, she gave us some cakes, and then she made liquid custard. I had an epiphany. I went to my mum and said, Mum, there's liquid custard, you can drink it. I said, well, yeah, just add less flour. I'm like, oh, okay. She never really made it because she only made it to make cakes, which I didn't complain. It was good. It was very good. So we're going to put 7 tablespoons of flour because I need it pretty firm. Boom, done. And then again, you mix it really well, making sure that there's no lumps, bumps. And there we go. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Now what we got to do, we prepare the milk. So I'm going to put whole liter of milk in a pan. There we go. And we warm it up with the lemon peel. Or the rind of a lemon. Smell that. So I'm going to check it out because I've got 2 lemons, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use both of them. Let's see. I think you need quite a lot. You need quite a bit to flavour it. Oh, look at me looking all professional. I'm impressed. Yeah, definitely going to do both of them. They're only little lemons. The smell is amazing. Oh my God. Boom. I'm going to put the peel of the 2 lemons in with the milk. So what we're going to do, we're going to warm up the milk, and once it's warm, we're going to put it in with the egg, sugar and flour. We need to make sure that we keep stirring, otherwise the eggs are going to scramble. And then we're going to have our custard. Follow me. So what we're doing now, we're just warming the milk up with the lemon rinds, and make sure that it doesn't boil, because otherwise it's going to scramble your eggs when we put it together with the eggs, the flour and the sugar. And once it's warm, gonna swap it. I think I've seen some recipes where they take the lemon out. I don't. I'll just leave it all in there. And we need to make sure that we stir constantly to make sure that it doesn't scramble the eggs, and also that we get rid of any lumps. If any, although my husband thought that the lemon was a lumps. I was a bit of a shock when I told him it was lemon. And now I know it's a bit boring because you've got to keep stirring, but so worth it. So worth it. So I keep stirring until the custard is ready. Then this has to come to the boil and let it boil until you reach the thickness that you want. And job done. And there we go. We got custard. Nice and thick. So as it cools down, it's going to thicken up a little bit more. So all you do, you just wait until it comes to a boil, start stirring quicker and reduce the heat a little bit until you've got the consistency that you want. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to leave it, and I'm going to leave it to cool down so then I can use it for the cakes that I want to make. Now that the custard is at a nice temperature, I can get the lemons out, which used to be my job when I was young. My nan and my mum used to let me do it, and then I would suck all of the... That's exactly what I would do, and just lick the lemons and just get all of the custard off it. So I got to get all of them out because I don't want that to go in my bowl or use them in the cake. Making the mess as my per usual. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this video because I'm just about to enjoy my custard. And if you have, why not subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications on the next video. And watch out for what I've made with my custard. Oh, just like Mama used to make. I love it. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.